Hello everyone, welcome back to our session. In the last session, we have discussed that soft skill is the one that is essential for a human to be a human. In today's session, we will be discussing why is that soft skill being considered that much important for a human or that much essential for a human to be a human. As a human, we all have two phases in the life. One is professional and the other one is personal. What is this professional and what is this personal? How does it differ? For an example, in a professional phase, we may officially get connected with our colleagues, clients, customers, etc. In our personal life, we may get connected with our parents, friends, relatives, family members, etc. And again, how do we approach them? And again, here, the question is not that how many people do I get connected a day. Instead, the question is that how do I get connected with them? How do I approach them? How do I communicate with them? Yes, the way of approach play a very major role. Can we approach a manager in the same way how do we approach our father? Can we approach our friends in the same way how do we approach our colleague? If it happens, what will be the result? If we approach our friend and a colleague in the same way, what will happen? What is this way of approach called as? The way of approach is nothing but the way we communicate. What is this way of communication then? How do we communicate with a friend and how do we communicate with a parent and how do we communicate with our professional life? Why does it differ? What is the reason behind it? What is this communication called as? What is the skill I should have for this communication? So all these things combinedly, we have an answer for all these things. Yes, the way of approach differs, the way of communication differs to build a very healthy, to build a very good relationship with everyone. It differs from a people to a people. It differs for a professional behavior and it differs for a personal behavior. It differs for a friend, it differs for a family member. In order to maintain a healthy relationship with a friend and a family member, the way of approach differs. That what is that communication called as then? That communication is nothing but a communication skill. And again, this communication skill is a part of a soft skill. That is the reason we interrelate everything. That is the reason we call or we say soft skill is the essential thing for a human to be a human. And again, along with this communication skill, there are a lot of skills available. There are a lot of soft skills. There are a list of soft skills available for a human to be accumulated within us. What are those lists? The list of soft skills along with this communication skill we'll be discussing in our next session. Until then, stay connected, stay safe, and thank you everyone.